Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechStone. Today we are going to learn how to set up a VPN without any software in Android or any mobile. So before we get started, if you want to get more updates related to Android tricks and tips, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Okay, now we will see how to set up a free VPN. So before that, I just want to give VPN. Mainly the VPNs are used to access the blocked websites, to mask your real IP and to change your location. Okay, now we'll see how to set the VPN. Now go to your web browser and search for VPN book. Now select the first option, VPN book. See, this VPN book is the free website which will provide a lot of servers with free VPN with the different types. For example, you can see like PPTP, OpenVPN, Outline VPN, Dedicated VPN, something. So today we are going to use PPTP VPN. For that, just go to your Android settings and we will see how to set up that. So keep this website in the background and open the settings from the mobile phone. In most of the mobiles, the VPN will become under like a connectivity and sharing. If you don't know that, just go to your search button and search for the VPN. Now select the VPN. Now click on the add VPN, which will appear in the down, the plus icon. Now here in the name section we can give any of your favorite name. In this case I'll give as a TechStone 2020 as my VPN name. So now the server address, just the type PPTP, leave it as like that only. Now the server address, we need to copy this server address from the VPN book website. Just go back to VPN book and select any one of the servers. Here I'm going to select for the Canada server, so I'm just going to select canada198.vpnbook.com or whatever it is, the other one, and leave the encryption PPT encryption as tick if it is unselected, and unselect the show advanced option if it is selected. Now provide the username and password. Username will be always VPN book only. If you want to go back to website and select the username, so the username is VPN book. And the password. So the password also we can see in the website. They have given it with lowercase and uppercase. These passwords they will be updating like 15 days monthly once. If your VPN is not working, just come back here and search for the new password. So we need to type this password, we can't copy. So the password is like a DA9Z something, so we'll type the password. And make sure whenever you are typing the password, if it is a capital A, you need to type as caps A, J something, same as it is. If you type something wrong, then the VPN may not work properly. And now click on the OK. So now we can see the one VPN is added to my VPN services. All you need to do is just click on the VPN. So now see, it's showing as a connectee. So after some time it will give a successful message, then you will be connected to VPN. That's great. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.